अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लॉ एंड जस्टिस लोअर डिवीजन क्लर्क कंप्लीट पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 29/6/2025 को हुआ था, इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। व्हाट इज़ द न्यू नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट रिप्लेस्ड आरसीडी रीजनल कॉरपोरेशन फॉर डेवलपमेंट इन 1985? इकोनॉमिक कॉरपोरेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। When the Battle of Mota was fought, 8 Hijri, who was the first president of Pakistan? Sikandar Mirza. The Battle of Oudh was fought in 625 AD. Varsak Dam is constructed on which river? Kabir River. The largest country in the world by area is Russia. When 5 prayers became farz? 10th Nabwi. Which surah starts without Bismillah? Surah Tawbah. Which country is located west of Pakistan? Iran. The antonym of encourage is discourage. Category B is a record to be retained for 10 years. Category C is a record to be retained for 3 to 6 years. O.A is the abbreviation of office order. What is the official duty of LDC? Routine of types of the work. What is one of the key duties of a lower division clerk LDC in a government office? Handling file registration and data entry. What is the correct meaning of the word bean? A seed used as food. Endorsement is a means of communication for approval. Mohenjo-daro is located in which district of Sindh? Ladkana district. The third desert is located in which part of Pakistan? Eastern. Which pass connects China and Pakistan? Khunjrab Pass. Which country has the largest population in the world? India. In which Hijri year Qibla was changed? 2. Baitul Ma'mur is on dash heaven? 7th. K2 is present in which mountains range? Karakoram range. Ghazwa Badr occurred in which Hijra? Second Hijra. Which continent has no desert? Europe. From which word Aqidah is derived? AQD. How long was the period of Abbasid dynasty? 508. Which is the Busit largest natural harbour port of Pakistan? Karachi Port. When is World Health Day observed? 7th April. Pakistan is located in which continent? Asia. What is the capital of Turkey? Ankara. In Surah Kahf, which animal is mentioned along with the Ashab-e-Kahf? Dog. Noor Mahal is located in which city of Pakistan? Bahawalpur. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was died in 1898. The act of shouting one's prayer while on journey is called Qasr. Salat-e-Istisqa is offered on the occasion of shortage of rain. One who believes in the power of fate fatalist. The synonyms of vivid is bright. Mujaddid Alif Sani is the title of Sheikh Ahmad Sarhindi. What are the total number of oceans in the world? 5. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. How many continents are there in the world? 7. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. The state means federal government. A person who can neither read nor write is illiterate. Which of the following is the biggest sign in Quran? Shirk. Control plus Z used for undo. Which country helped Pakistan to build JF-17 Thunder? China. What is the birthplace of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah? Karachi. What form of government is in place in Pakistan presently? Parliamentary democracy. Allahabad session was held in 1930 by All India Muslim League. Antonym of probity is dishonesty. Who was the chairman of Boundary Commission during the partition of subcontinent in 1947? Cyril Radcliffe. Which holy book is called Old Testament? Bible. MAO school was established by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sindh was separated from Bombay Presidency in the year AD 1936. To perform Salat-e-Istikhara is Nafal. Memorandum in office procedure is form of communication. Category D record to be retained for less than years. 3 years. Choose the word most nearly the opposite of revolution. Evaluation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.